what you will need is 5 cups of flour, butter, and 1 cup of milk. The butter, let me see, you can measure it 1 cup, 2 cups of flour, you add 1 tablespoon of butter. Yes. So I'm just putting all the flour in. Then I'm just going to I have kneaded. So now I'm going to add in the milk. If you want, at this stage you can add sugar if you want to make it a little bit sweet. Yeah, so but it's optional. I prefer not adding the milk all at once because you'll be able to know what consistency your dough is going to be in. So if you add in all at once, you might find that it becomes too soft. Yeah. So we are now going to just knead it and roll it out. So I floured my surface, as you can see. So if you have a rolling pin, you can use a rolling pin. If you have anything else that you're going to improvise with, best you use what you have available. So we're just going to roll this out. So I'm using to cut them out. I'm using this. So I had already greased my pan with butter. Yeah, so that's it. We're going to bake these for about 10 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, but ovens differ. So if you know your oven gets too hot at that temperature, be sure to reduce it because you might just find that they start burning instantly. Yeah, so be sure to know your oven and how high it gets.